Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. So here's a little Thanksgiving Day tip for you. Lots of times there will be an adult table and a kids table. And the kids are usually seated someplace like in the kitchen or wherever, and they're all by themselves. So here's an idea for keeping your kids occupied and happy. Why not create little tiny goodie bags for them at the table? Those little goodie bags can just be very simple things. They could be coloring book and crayons. They could be a little Lego set. They could be dice and a little book on playing games with dice. They could be playing cards. Lots of little different things, maybe little craft projects like little beaded necklaces. Whatever it is that intrigues your children who are sitting at that table. Number one, it makes them feel special. Number two, it gives them something fun to do if they are done with their dinner and you don't want them coming and sitting in your lap while you're eating your dinner. So that's my quick tip for your Thanksgiving Day. Create a little something special for each of those little kids who happens to be sitting at the kids' table. For more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com.